Hi, I'm Sander Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bell, powered by ProMach. We're looking at the WF20 fully automatic case former. It's one of the core products for the Wexxar line. Today we're going to look at some of the features and benefits of the machine, as well as some of the construction features. The WF20 comes built standard with a 6-foot magazine, which holds roughly 250 to 300 cases in it, depending on the thickness of the board. Cases are loaded upright. They travel through the machine upright through the forming and sealing section, so when the case comes out of the machine, it's upright and it's ready to be loaded. There's no need for any secondary manipulation. The machine also features a dual belt drive system that allows us to independently control each belt, so as the case travels through, they travel through without any kind of skewing. We can compensate should one side get ahead of the other, so that when we get to the forming section of the machine, we eliminate the potential for a case jam. Looking at the forming section of the machine, the real key is the very first step, which is primary case separation. As you can see, we've pulled one case away from the magazine itself. That case is going to be injected up into our jaw plate, where we have our patented pin and dome system. We don't use any vacuum to open cases at Wexxar. The jaw plates will open. Now we have the case open and ready to be folded. The next step will be that the case will come down. We will fold the minors at the same time as trapping the major flaps in our rotary folders. So we have good control of the case. We're holding the case down the whole time we're performing all these folding functions. So we're going to get a good tight form of the case at the bottom. Next step will be the rotary folders will fold. Now we've trapped those major panels and we're breaking the case right at the score line because we have a width adjustment for the rotary folders. Now the case is basically formed and ready to be moved on into the sealing section. So we're going to pull it up and on into the sealing. Looking at the sealing section, this is a tape version of the machine. We also make a hot melt version. This particular machine has our Deca 22 2-inch tape. It's also available with the Deca 23 3-inch tape. The adjustment of these conveyors, the width adjustment is independent of the rest of the machine. One of the advantages of this is as we bring the case forward after forming, we can tighten these up a little bit differently than we could the rotary folders to get a nice tight seal at the bottom. It also features our tilt-out tape head, which allows operators easy access to thread the tape as well as perform any minor adjustments that might be required to the tape head.